Guys, I'm Atira and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna learn how to do set decimal in Google Spreadsheet. So I have my data here, which is monthly sales report. So if you want to decrease or increase the total sales, this is where the menu is, okay? So I want to make it short, so I just click C column, okay? And then if I click decrease decimal places once, it will decrease once. If I click twice, it will decrease twice. So if I decrease twice, I have a whole number here. But it actually makes us easy to read this. If you click this number twice, it will show you a original number of this data. But if you did not click it, it will just show you a whole number. Okay, but if you want to make it to two decimal places, just click increase decimal places. It's easy as that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.